Okay, the injector there, like right behind this valve cover. You see, it's like 4 connections right here, gray connections. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you gotta disconnect them. So how do you disconnect it? It's gonna be a pain in the ass. So you just press with your fingers, but I found out the easiest way is with a long bar. I put it on the bottom, and I press the clip. I press the clip with the screwdriver. So with this bar, I push the connection, put the connection up. So as soon as you disconnect them, so you have 4 to disconnect. Then you get a long extension with 12mm socket, and this is very important. You need to get one of these to get in there. So you only have 2 bolts, so you place it right there, and you use a pry bar, and you go closewise, and boom, disconnect this one, and there's another one right there. It's only 2 bolts that they hold in that rail. So when this is loose, you can use your fingers and get that ball out. So you get one ball out from this side and the other ball from the other side. Then you take the same pry bar and you pull this up. Okay, I went to the other side, so you got a better look of the connections of the injectors. So one bolt is out. I'm gonna take the other one because it's already loose. Just gonna use my fingers. Okay, this is one of the injectors right here. So we have 4. This is the rail where it holds. So there is like a metal piece. You push that. You see, you push that out with your fingers or screwdriver. So try not to lose it. In my case, I don't need it. So anyways, it's right here. So it's this one. This piece of metal, you push it out and it's holding the injector on the rail. So when you take all the 4 clips, you can push this out. Let me show you. Actually, these clips, you don't need to take those clips right away because you're just gonna get the whole rail with the injectors. But anyways, I'll show you how to do it. So then you get a long pry bar, you put right here, and you pull up, and boom, you disconnect the whole rail. So the whole rail and the injectors, they got loose, so you can take, you just pull it out. See, there is gasoline coming out. Just pull it out, the injectors. All right, in my case, I just need the injectors. So, same process for everything. Push the metal tin back. All right, this is the clip that I was talking about. So you push this out with your fingers with the screwdriver. Oop, right there. So to put it back, there is like a little gap right there. You gotta put it right here in this gap. So you put the four of these clips on the injectors, and when you get the four clips on, it's gonna be easy to just push the injector inside the rail and connect it. You're gonna hear the clip. Then this part right here, you gotta push the whole rail back into the engine. So it's like everything is gonna be lined up to put it inside the engine. All right, guys, have a good day. One more thing, if you need to take this rail out, there is some clips, you see right there, these clips holding the old connectors. So you just press using this, just press and pull it out and put the connector out. So when you press these two right here, you're gonna come out from the rail. This is where it was right here, inside there. So you take the four of those, and you're gonna get the rail out. Just gotta play with them. It's almost out. Gotta play with them until you get it out. All right, this is where the full injectors they're sitting. So if you press this, you see, you press that, make sure you leave a little gap to put the metal Just push it.